Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. In my previous video, I had shown you on how to make a Kurma Alankaram for a Vishnu idol which looks like this. And many of you would be interested to learn on how I made that tortoise body for Vishnu. And that is why I thought I'll make this video. So just in case if you also want to learn on how to make this tortoise body for Dasavatharam, then please don't miss to watch this video till the end. Now for the kurma body or the tortoise body, it is exactly going to be the same technique that we have used for making the fish tail for the Matsya Alankaram. Okay, just like what I had shown in one of my previous videos, it's going to be the same technique where we are going to need a piece of paper. Okay, and we are going to measure the height required for this Kurma Alankaram. So it's going to be somewhere from here, from the waist until his feet over here. Okay, first make an outline like this and cut the paper, and once you have cut it, keep it over here and trace his body shape. Okay, so now again from the waist till the waist, end to end is the shape that we want. Okay, don't worry about the lines and all being curvy. This is only how much I'm going to trace. I have just traced the upper line at the waist and the body shape, rough body shape over here. Now I'll tell you on how to do the kurma body. Okay, so now once you have a rough sketch like this, what you will have to do is draw the waist first in this way, and please remember that the body of kurma or the tortoise is going to be broader at the center, otherwise it's not going to look like a tortoise body. So what we are going to do is, the shape that we want to give for this is something like this. It should come like this and go like this, and then it should have hands and legs like this. Okay, so this is the shape that we want to give. So I'm just going to turn it like this. It should not be too broad, because if it is too broad, it's going to cover up the gada. This looks like a good enough shape for me. Neither is it broad nor is it narrow. Okay, so once I have drawn till here, what I'm going to do is identify the middle part of this particular shape and draw a straight line in this way. Okay, and I will also be drawing the hands and fingers like this. I've taken a little bit of short paper over here. You just have to take it a little longer so that the shape is visible. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to cut this shape according to these lines only at the right side. I'm not going to draw the left part because I want it to be symmetrical. So I'm just going to cut this paper according to these outlines over here. Okay, and I will tell you what to do next. So now, as you can see, I have already cut the right side part of the tortoise body. Now all I need to do is just fold it into half along this line. In this way, and I will have to trace it according to these lines for the other side. and there you go, we have the perfect kurma body or the tortoise body for our Vishnu. Okay, so as I said, I have taken less paper over here, that's why I'm not able to draw this particular feet properly for him. Okay, for you, whenever you are making this, just take a little bit of extra paper and do it. Now let me just cut this and show you on how this kind of a shape is going to look on Vishnu. So now this is how our tortoise body is going to look like after cutting it. And if I'm going to keep it over here at his waist, in this way, can you see how perfect this is going to look? So again, as I told you in my previous video, after cutting it, you might find like this particular design is going to be too broad for him or too thin for him. Then you can keep on altering, keeping this particular stencil as the base. First try to do it on a very rough paper, okay, and make this as a stencil, and then trace it on a hardboard or a cardboard and cut it. And this is the cardboard that I have traced it and I have cut it. Okay, and what I'm going to do is, because I want this body to come over here and the gada to be shown, I'm just going to bend this inwards in this way and trying to give it a curve like this. Okay, and then I place it here, and you can see how perfectly this fits for him. Okay, and what I have also done is, if you can see, I have drawn all these hexagonal shapes on the turtle body so that I can give some 3D look to it. So I suggest you also give this kind of an outline and keep it ready, and I'll show you what next to be done for this particular body to look like a 3D. So this is the body of the turtle. Okay, and as you can see, I have just painted a white acrylic color all over so that I can give beautiful shades to this. And to further color it, I'm going to use Fevicryl pearl colors, okay, sparkling pearl colors. So this actually comes in lot of colors, and I think I've got almost all the colors that I need. But the colors that I'm going to use today is golden yellow, and then brown, and sort of mustard color, or you can call it as light brown, and black. Okay. And what I have done right now is I have just given 2 coats of the same paint that I started, okay, and then I have used various other colors to give this kind of a complete finish. Now I'll just show you how to do it only for this hexagon, and you should be able to get an idea on how to paint. Okay. And this is how the tortoise body is going to look like. See, it looks so natural and yet it glitters everywhere, right? It looks like a real shell. So just by overlapping with 2 to 3 colors, you can easily make a realistic kind of a tortoise shell like this. Now let me just keep it on Vishnu, and I'll just show you on how beautiful this is going to look. And this is how the tortoise body is going to look on Vishnu. And as you can see, it looks like a real tortoise shell. And see how easy it was to do this entire decoration. All you need is a couple of hours to finish it. So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.